We're going to guide you through the process of creating a review ticket in Rannkly. It's a straightforward process that can help you efficiently manage your reviews and customer feedback. Let's get started. Click here to start. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Rannkly account. Now, on the left menu, you'll see the My Reviews section. Click on it. Within the review list, look for the Create Ticket button. It's your next destination. Click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just to confirm, click Yes. Success, your ticket is now created. To access it, head to the ticketing section in the top menu and select My Tickets. Once you've found your ticket, click on Edit Details. Let's assign a team member to this ticket. Click on Assign Team Member and then hit Add. Fantastic! Your team member is now assigned to the ticket, and if the notification settings are enabled, they will receive a notification. Now, let's assign a status to the ticket. Choose the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm by clicking Yes. Next, assign a priority to the ticket. Click on Priority and select the desired priority level from the drop-down. Let's go with Medium. Assign a due date and time by choosing from the calendar. When you're done, click Confirm. And there you have it. Your review ticket is now successfully created and configured. It's that easy to streamline your review management in Rannkly. Thank you for watching. And remember, efficient customer feedback management is just a click away with Rannkly.